Hi, I'm Stevie C and the place to be. In this video, I'm going to be assembling another of BigCliveDotCom's Gallium PCBs. I still have shaky hands, but I don't think you'll notice them once I've time-lapsed the footage in iMovie. So this time, I'm going to be using green and blue flashing LEDs, Auld Firm style. Each LED will have a 330 ohm resistor, and again, the whole project will be run from a 5V USB power supply and enclosed in a 4x6 photo frame. And through the magic of editing, my resistor leads are now all formed. I don't have a lead forming tool like BigClive, and my cheap Chinese one from eBay hasn't arrived in the post yet. So what I've been doing is using a stack of Vero boards taped together, just balancing the resistor on top, and using that to form the leads. So I hope that's okay. Now one problem here is the camera has a better view than I do. I also don't have a vellum soldering frame like BigClive, so I'm going to be using a slab of blue tack to help press the components into the board. So what I'm going to do first is only solder one lead of the resistors. So now I can check if they're all sitting flush with the board. So it makes it easier to reposition them if necessary. So now they're all sitting flat, I can go and solder the other lead now. And again, I'm only soldering one lead, so if I need to reposition them, it makes it so much easier. One day I'm going to sample the noise that these leads make and make a tune out of it. So that's the first row of LEDs and resistors soldered in. I'm not going to punish you by making me watch the rest of it in real time, so we'll cue the time lapse and cue the music. So I'm now ready to attach the USB power lead to the board. So I'm going to lop off the Windows phone charger part of it. Now I'm guessing it's these two that are the power wires. Last time I sort of guessed wrong there, it was the red and white, so it's the red and black, so I'm just going to go and check that. So if I'm right, it will display 5 volts without a minus sign. Yeah, so now if it was the other way around, I would get a minus sign that indicating that the polarity was incorrect. So yeah. So before I solder on, I'll poke it through the picture frame before I forget. So now we're ready to test it. Okay, as is becoming tradition for me, I think we've got a slightly dodgy LED here. Yeah, it's the LED, it's not a solder joint. So there you have it, my BigCliveDotCom Gallium PCB assembled with green and blue flashing LEDs, Auld Firm style. As with the RGB LEDs, they'll drift out of sync with each other as time goes on. It looks a bit like an old school computer in a sci-fi movie, blinking away trying to calculate if rangers will get pumped. If you like this video, please click like. If you aren't already subscribed, please do so. If you've got any suggestions for future videos or comments about this one, please leave a comment. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.